One person will wedge a large blade screwdriver into the space behind the hinge rod, forcing it into the exit channel. The other person drives the pin out with a mallet and a probe or modified screwdriver. Remove the end panel. With the large panel removed, the same technique is used to release the pin on the collar and drive it into the exit channel. When enough of the pin is exposed, pliers should be used to extract it. Completely remove the hinge pin that holds the collar extension to the base of the container. With the pin out, remove the damaged collar section. Replace the collar with a new part and insert the plastic hinge pin. Tap it into position with a hammer. With the collar in place, install the side panel and reinsert the plastic pin to hold it into place. Drop the sidewall and then install the end panel, making sure to engage the locking channel at the corners. Insert the hinge pin, slide it into position, and tap it into place to finish the replacement.